Welcome to LineSight. Today we will go through the tutorial for the Machine Overview screen. This screen shows status of all machines in the production line, along with the most important information regarding each machine, such as machine status, machine mode, machine program, desired production speed, actual production speed, mean time between recovery, and mean time between stops. Machine status is shown in the form of graphic symbol with color that describes its actual status. Description of each status and the assigned color is located in the bottom part of the screen. That is all for today's tutorial. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us and we will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.